Excel has many financial formulas useful in home or business for calculating mortgage, car loans, personal loans, and credit card payments. This lesson covers the PMT function, which is used to calculate the monthly payment for a loan based on the payments and the interest rates. Let's get started. Excel lists the details for a loan shown here in column C, the annual interest rate, the number of payments, and the total loan amount. Clicking on A2, we will enter our formula. Up on the Excel ribbon, click on the Formulas tab. The first group is the complete function library of functions grouped by different categories. Let's click the Financial button and scroll down to the PMT function. This opens a wizard or screen to assist in entering the different arguments for each function. The PMT function includes several arguments. The first is rate, the interest rate for the period. Our interest rate is 6%, so we type in 6% and is divided by 12 months. We type divided by 12. Hit the Tab key to move to the second argument, NPER, or the number of payments. Our payments are over 30 years, so we can type the formula directly in the cell. 30 times 12 months equals 360. Hit the Tab key again for the third argument, PV, or the present value of the loan, which is $180,000. Tabbing again to the last two arguments are optional, FV, which is future value, and PT for payment type, but fine to leave them blank. Click OK, and our formula is done. Excel calculates the monthly payment of $1,079.19 in our starting cell A2. This raises a question now. What if we want to adjust the mortgage rate? After all, interest rates change all the time. We can change the number in the formula from the previous example. However, let's show another way with added flexibility by using another strength of Excel, cell references. This time we start typing the formula directly into the cell instead of using the wizard. Type equal PMT and Excel shows the available function starting with PMT. Selecting the function, the tooltip shows the first argument, rate. This time instead of typing the actual rate amount, we use the cell reference, and our rate is in cell C2. Note when typing C2, the cell reference and the cell border is the same color, blue. We divide by 12 months, enter divide by 12. Type a comma to move to the next argument, NPER. Type the cell reference, which is C3 for our number of payments, and again it identifies the color of green this time for the reference. Type comma again to move to the third argument, which is PV, the present loan value, which we see in cell C4. The cell reference changes to purple this time. Finish with the end parentheses and enter, and we see the monthly payment calculated. Select cell A3, and in the formula bar we see the PMT function we typed does not have actual values, but the references to the cells. The power of cell references is shown by changing the values. Like, for example, if the interest rate dropped to 5.5%, in cell C2, change to 5.5 and hit enter. Automatically, the formula recalculates the new monthly payment. Also, try changing the loan amount in C4 to $210,000. Hit enter, and it recalculates. You have now mastered the PMT function, which quickly calculates monthly payments on loans.